SpecChem's SpecPatch is the most versatile concrete patching product on the market. Mix for 2 to 3 minutes with 6 3/4 to 7 1/4 pints of clean water per 50-pound bag. Proper surface preparation is key. Start with a clean surface and ensure it is SSD or saturated surface stamp. Prime with SpecPrep SB or use a scrub coat of SpecPatch for a strong bond. Trowel it in, shape after initial set, and for deeper repairs, build up in layers. Finish to match surrounding concrete. This general-purpose polymer-modified concrete repair mortar is perfect for concrete floors, walls, precast, tilt-up, masonry, and other surfaces. SpecPatch can be used for horizontal and vertical applications to provide a durable repair that can be shaped by shaving or sanding. SpecPatch is available in various formulas, formulated to accommodate a variety of multi-purpose patch and repair projects based on set times. The number you see in the product name represents its set time. SpecPatch 5, our fastest setting formula. SpecPatch 5 is easily feathered and shaped. It can be applied in lifts up to 1 inch, dries to a nice concrete gray color. SpecPatch 15, all of the same features and benefits of SpecPatch 5, but with an extended work time of 15 minutes. SpecPatch 30 is our most popular and most versatile patch. With a 30-minute set time, it opens the door to a broader range of applications. SpecPatch Lite is a specially pigmented version of our SpecPatch 15 formula. All of the same features and benefits, but dries to a lighter gray than SpecPatch 15 to accommodate precasters, regional variations, or lighter mix designs. Be sure to explore SpecChem's complete line of repair and restoration products, formulated to help solve your most challenging applications by visiting SpecChem.com.